In a group of 200 students surveyed, 36% of the students don't speak German and 48% of the students speak both French and German. What percent of the students who speak German don't speak French? Well, clearly, in this group of students, there are two intersecting characteristics: speaking German and speaking French. We can build our double entry table to represent the four counting groups. We'll represent the first intersecting characteristic, speaking German, vertically in the two columns. So here will be the people speaking German and the people not speaking German. In the two rows, we'll have people who speak French and people who don't. We'll fill the table using percents, so we place 100 in the position of the total number of elements. Let's begin translating the numeric information to the table. 36% of the students don't speak German, so that accounts for the total of people on this column. If 36% of the people don't speak German, it follows that the rest, 64%, actually do speak the language. On the other hand, we have 48% of the students speak both French and German. Well, people who speak both languages correspond in this box, and we should place here 48. From this data, it follows that the people only speaking German are the difference between 64 and 48, that is 16. Well, there's no way we may know what's in these four boxes. So now, let's see what they're asking. What percent of the students who speak German do not speak French? They're asking us a question that we've already seen before. What percent of quantity B is a part of this quantity B we call A? How do we solve this question? By formulating this ratio, A over B, and multiplying this by 100. So let's identify in our question what these quantities are. Quantity B should be this part, the students who speak German. The students who speak German, if we look at the table, are a total of 64%. So let's place here 64 in the position of the denominator. What is quantity A? Quantity A is a group of persons among the students who speak German who actually don't speak any French. Are those who don't speak French among or within those who actually speak German? So, who are those who don't speak French but speak German? In the table, we can see those correspond to 16% of the total students. So, 16% divided by 64% times 100. What's the outcome here? Okay, if we simplify, we get 1 over 4 times 100, which would be 100 over 4, equaling 25%. So, the correct answer choice, option B.